How to find and use Cash App QR code. In this tutorial, I will show you how to find and use Cash App QR code. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application. This will take you to the homepage of the app as you can see here. After that, make sure you are on the money section of the homepage by tapping this $sign. Okay, let us proceed. Next, tap on the QR code icon that normally appears at the top right corner of the screen. This will then open this page you can see here. After that, a menu that asks you for Cash App permission to access the camera appears here. The menu has different T options. From them, I will choose this one here. This step is very important. Make sure you don't skip it. After that, the camera appears, and all you have to do is to focus the camera on the QR code and then scan it. At the top of the page, there are two options. One is Scan, the other is My Code. The second option, named My Code, is where you will see your Cash App QR code. Go ahead and tap on it just like you can see here. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. This is your Cash App QR code. You can share it with others too when they want to send you money. To do that, you can either tap on the share icon that appears here at the top right corner of the screen. Also, you can take a screenshot of the QR code and then print it and share it with others. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to find and use Cash App QR code.